Aloha and welcome back to Joanna's Kitchen Adventures. Look at that. That looks real nice. It's very hot. Welcome back, friends. Today we'll be making a recipe called blueberry buckle. We love blueberries. It looks like a blueberry coffee cake. I was recently scrolling on social media and found a recipe, and then I was researching it a little bit, and so this is my take on blueberry buckle. It is a combination of a few different recipes. This is a new recipe that I'm adding to my 100 new recipes in a year goal. Let's get started. So we start with our pan and we're going to get that well buttered. I'm just using the paper from the butter that we're going to use to make our streusel topping. Get into the corners real good. Right. And we're going to set that aside. Next, we're going to do our streusel mix. We've got our butter, and we're going to add our sugar. Got some white sugar. And some brown sugar. Then we're going to bring over our flour. Oh, a little bit more flour. We're going to add some cinnamon and a pinch of salt. And we're going to get that combined. So it's a crumbly mixture. Again, this is your streusel topping. Okay, we're going to set that aside. So now we're going to put our buckle together. We're going to start with our dry ingredients. We've got our flour, baking powder, baking soda. Trying to use the right measuring spoon. Baking soda. Salt. Cardamom. And we're going to mix that to combine. And set that aside. Now we're going to get our wet ingredients mixed together. We've got our butter and our sugar. And we're going to get that creamed together. add our eggs. The recipe calls for sour cream, but I'm making this dairy-free, so I'm using some oat milk. We'll add the vanilla. And our lemon zest. Got a half a teaspoon. That looks good. And we're going to mix that all together. We're going to add our dry ingredients. I'm going to just get my rubber spatula around here. Then we're going to add some of our blueberries that I dried off a little. And got that in there. All right, so that is folded in. And now we've got our buttered pan. We're going to pour our batter in there. Then we're going to take some of our streusel mix and put that on top. And then I'm going to add a few more blueberries. Pat that in a little. And add the rest of the streusel mix. It's quite a bit of streusel mix there. Maybe it'll give it a really good crust. All right, that's been smoothed out, and we are gonna get this in the oven. This is the blueberry buckle, fresh out of the oven. Here we have our very warm, freshly out of the oven, blueberry buckle. As always, we're gonna have Paul come and do a taste test with us. Oh, crust is nice. It's very soft. Oh, it's very soft. Look at that. That looks real nice. It's very hot. All right, Paul. Here you go.
This looks good.
It's hot. Let me taste. Oh, blueberries.
So it's sugary sweet with some blueberry bursting in it.
Moist.
Oh yeah, definitely moist.
Yep, that's really good. I think you can make it for any time of day. Again, doing it in the summertime because you've got lots of blueberries would be great, but you know that turned out really well. Have it for breakfast tomorrow. I hope you liked this recipe. Thanks for coming along on this kitchen adventure with me. We'll be adding this to my list of 100 new recipes in a year. So make it, eat it, and enjoy. I'll see you next time.